Hey, we're live. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. This is called Newbie Blast Off. There we go. What the heck is that? So that's why I titled this WarriorPlus Product Creation and Launching for Newbies. That's what it is. And this is a lady named Romy who hasn't done $1 million in sales. She's not going to show you the coolest, craziest new hack. She's just going to put the camera over her shoulder and show you from a beginner's point of view how to launch a product from start to finish without skipping over stuff and going, you just make that page and then away we go, and then just create a product and away we go. She's going to take you step by step through it. So I'm going to give you a little bit of a listen to her. Let me just go in here. First off, I start the finish. It's $12.95 for this product. It goes into great detail showing you how to launch a product. And I just want to quickly say that this is the bridge from, I hate to say beginner, newbie, all those kind of things. Everybody starts out as that. So I'm going to say affiliate, struggling to make sales, which is every affiliate, unless you have a 100,000 person mailing list. This is a struggle. You're making $7, $10, $15, $20. How do you make a decent income out of that? Well, you got to put together a lot of those. So you got to do a lot of work, a lot of promotion, a lot of posts, a lot of so on. So here's the bridge into success. And what that bridge is launching, creating, launching, and profiting from your own product. And so if you have never done this before, it's terrifying. It's crazy. There's like 1,000 little details. How do I do this? What do they mean by that? What do I need? How do I do that? How do I make a button? How do I make a simple thing as a button for people to click on to buy this product? I got this product. They want to buy it. Click this button. Oh, how do I do that? All these things seem crazy, complicated, difficult, scary because what do you mean? I'm going to go up against the $1 million gurus that are out there, that's the $500,000 gurus, the $100,000 gurus, terrifying. But it's the bridge to success, because instead of worrying now about the $20 product, somebody else is selling the $20 product for you. And you may not be getting $20, but the army of affiliates could be selling 1,000 of those. And so picture getting just $5 out of the 20. We're using this hypothetical kind of product, and that as a product creator would be low. But say you're only getting $5 out of the 20, but 1,000 sales are being made by your army of affiliates. That's $5,000. I want you to picture, see how good your math is, see how good my math is, how many times that $20 sale goes into the $5,000 worth of sales, and you'll have the picture. Let's see, it's 250 times. There we go. That wasn't so hard. So it's the equivalent of 250 $20 sales all coming into your pocket at one time. And even more exciting than that is I talk about the bridge, because that's just the first pillar. On the other side is, hey, I sold 1,000 units and made $5. I made $5,000. I'm not $1 million guy. I made $5,000. But what do you have now? Those people that were your affiliates have effectively given you their best clients, and you've gathered them in because you've got the mailing list of all the people who bought. Maybe if you're smart, you've set up so you've got the mailing list or offered people the ability to sign up of people who didn't even buy. And so you have even a larger group of very hot, interested prospects. What happens the next time you put a product out? Well, you can hesitate one day for the affiliates and launch it to your own list, or even just launch it to your own list at the same time as the affiliates do, and you'll cream. What did we say? We had 250 sales in that prototypical thing. So 250 sales relaunched with another different product that's in a similar vein, something also of interest, could conceivably bring you 50 or 100 of those 20. Again, we're using $20 products all the way through. Ignore the ups and downs of that and the one-time offers and the extra bonus and the monthly, all these things that can build it up, and also ignore the fact that you might do a lower percentage of all these. And we're just kind of using that as a number. Again, thousands of dollars immediately, plus the affiliates bringing in all these people. So you've now grown from the $5,000 day or week or whatever it is of your launch. Now you're doing about a $10,000 launch, and it starts to become real numbers. Like, I'd say life-changing, but yeah, having somebody drop 10 grand in your pocket, that's and so I'm just going to go inside here and let you listen a little bit to her right at the beginning. This is the introduction thing. Again, $12.95, and she's going to show you how to launch products. Here we go.
It's a shame that we all have to struggle as beginners, making nothing online, spending lots of time and energy trying to figure things out. If only they had told us or showed us what to do to get there. And all the gurus would tell you no traffic, no product creation, no nothing, just click the button and you're done. If that was true, we all be now making millions and they wouldn't be selling the product. So yeah, thanks to my training, you don't have to do all the figuring out, and I've done it for you. Learn from my mistakes. You won't have the problem where to start, the overwhelming feeling or where, how. No, that's all taken care of. So just click the button below, say yes.
Okay, well, that gives you an idea. She's gone through it. I'm going to stop right there. The link is in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. You'll see a bit of a description of the Newbie Blast Off product. It's really a over-the-shoulder showing you how to do research, create an offer, and make it live on WarriorPlus with a free traffic method. And she shows you here's one example. Again, you're spending $12.95 on this. She discovered how to go from $0 to $684.70 in 48 hours. That's one offer, one time, one thing. I think there's another one that's a couple $1,000s. So if you don't think that's worth $12.95, you're wrong. And again, this is not the end. This is the beginning. You've crossed over this bridge into product creation, and now you're doing something totally different than an affiliate marketer. You're now recruiting affiliate marketers, supporting affiliate marketers, creating products and launching products. It's a whole different ball game, and it is way more lucrative, and it's well worth $12.95 to see someone do it step by step for a beginner, from a beginner's point of view, not from the $1 million guy's point of view, but from the, hey, I made $1,000 kind of point of view. So check this out. Click the link and go check out my site at marketingsharks.com. It'll take you right to the blog post. Scroll down to the bottom, click the product box. There's my dog. Gotta go. It's a Newbie Blast for beginners. Newbie Blast Off. Go check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Enjoy.